Introducing the 2022 Ford Focus Saintline 5D 1.5 TD120 S6.2 A8 FW. This stunning blue vehicle packs a punch with a 1.5 litre engine and 26,000 kilometers on the clock. Loaded with features like air conditioning, satellite navigation and collision avoidance braking, this car ensures a smooth and safe ride every time. Enjoy the luxury trim interior, privacy glass and spoiler for added style and security. With a full multi-point health and safety check, manufacturer servicing and comprehensive warranty, you can hit the road with peace of mind. Don't miss out on this amazing deal. Call us or visit our website, Joe Norris Motors, YOE, for more information.